Good evening, Bulldogs. Pretty mild this evening. We're at 72 across the campus of Mississippi State, and it's dry out there. Gonna feel a little bit on the more, again, muggy side because 63 degrees is our dew point. So we're doing of what I would say much more spring-like, storm-like, rain-like weather as we head towards tonight, and it really is going to stick around towards the weekend because we got some storms moving on in, and I'll show you when that'll happen. But we had a few showers on radar this evening. They've since dissipated, and we're looking like we're going to be dry this evening and as you wake up tomorrow morning. Waking up tomorrow morning in the low 60s, really across the board. Almost everyone is at 60 degrees, so temperature's not going to drop off, and that's going to set us up for a warm day tomorrow. Look at this. We're at the mid 80s for all of us across northeastern Mississippi. I'm thinking Starkville gets to 84 as well as Columbus, but Tupelo could reach to 85 degrees. So it is going to be a warm day. We should be in the mid 60s this time of year, and we're in the mid 80s. So pretty warm. And as you head home on Friday for spring break, whatever plans you got, whether you're leaving at 9 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, will be dry, and we'll have temperatures pretty mild, or a little bit warm but mild, 73 at 9 o'clock and 82 at 3 p.m. But I do want to make you aware that if you are heading towards Missouri, Arkansas, and really anywhere towards the northwest, you could run into some thunderstorms with a chance for some severe storms as you head into that direction. The best risk looks to be in Oklahoma and Kansas, but I'm sure a lot of y'all are driving towards Arkansas and Missouri, so have a way to get warnings just in case, and that looks to be Friday evening into the Friday overnight hours for you over there. For us here in Starkville, we're going to have some rain this week, and I think this is on 2 o'clock this afternoon. I think the weather, the model goes a little bit too much on the rainfall, but we could have a few sprinkles, but I'm thinking it's partly cloudy skies on Friday, heading into Friday evening. Looking towards Saturday, though, we do see a few rain showers start to move on in. It's going to be a front that comes along with it. This is Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. We see this front move on in. Now, what the front is going to do, it's actually going to stall out around central Mississippi. That's going to leave us with a couple pretty rainy days this weekend. It's just going to sit over us and just drop rain for hours and hours. This is Saturday at 11 o'clock, and as you go to sleep, you're going to be hearing the rain on your window because it's just not moving. It's sticking around as you wake up for church on Sunday. You're still doing of this rain. So name of the game this weekend is going to be the rain. You're going to get some downpours. Watch for some flash flooding as well because it's going to come pretty quickly. And in total, this entire weekend, about 2 to 2.5 inches of rain. I would not be surprised if some spots got more than that. So have a way to get warnings if you have a flash flood warning because it's going to be a pretty rainy weekend. A lot of rain is expected. Now, as we look towards the rest of the 7-day forecast, Thursday looks great. Friday looks great for travels. I do have a 20% chance of rain, but I think it's going to be partly cloudy for most of the day. Saturday and Sunday is the day you're going to need the umbrella. Once again, that heavy rainfall moving on in. Temperatures drop a little bit, but look at that. They ramp back up as we head towards Monday and Tuesday into the mid-80s. Wednesday, though, is the next chance after this weekend for some thunderstorms.